Hello everyone, let's learn which are the top 5 best coding apps. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, these apps are essential tools to boost your coding skills and productivity. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First app is Grasshopper Coding App. Grasshopper is the best way to start your coding adventure with fun, quick games on your phone that teach you to write real JavaScript. Move through progressively challenging levels as you develop your abilities, then graduate with fundamental programming skills for your next step as a coder. Second app is Sololearn Coding App. Sololearn is a coding app and community where you can access coding courses, quizzes, and challenges. It's an excellent resource for both beginners and experienced programmers to learn and improve their coding skills. You can explore various programming languages, connect with fellow learners, and even share your code for feedback and collaboration. Third app is Programming Hub Coding App. While most learn-to-code apps focus on teaching major coding languages, such as Python or Java, Programming Hub includes courses for all the major languages plus numerous courses focused on programming applications, such as creating apps, building websites, and getting started with software engineering. Fourth app is Enki Coding App. Enki is your AI-powered skills coach. Use it to learn coding, no-code and productivity tools, data skills, and generative AI tools. Over 1.5 million people have used Enki to build and improve their coding, data and other critical skills. Fifth app is Mimo Coding App. Memo is a mobile app that offers interactive coding lessons and tutorials, designed to help individuals learn and practice coding on the go. It covers a wide range of programming languages and topics, including Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and more. Memo's lessons are bite-sized and interactive, making it easy for beginners to get started and for experienced coders to refresh their skills. It's a convenient way to acquire coding knowledge and skills using your smartphone or tablet. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.